been talking to
Oh my god! Did you see pieces fly everywhere?
Yeah, Whitney was like, motherfucker.
Look over there. There's a piece way over there.
Oh my gosh! There's nothing left. Where did all of it go? Oh my gosh. Look at that.
Look at this. This is an aspen. You can tell that it's an aspen tree because of the way it is.
Whoa, look at that. There's like no grasses left. Are there any pieces around here? I don't see any pieces. There's nothing left of that barrel. Oh my gosh. We're all the way back here, almost 100 feet. Oh, found a piece. We found this piece. Bro, look. Oh my gosh. There's like cracks in it and everything. Where's another piece at?
I got grass in my mouth.
What are you laughing at?
That was fucking hot.
I wonder if you guys are gonna try catching me, but...
No. I knew it was gonna be hot, but I said, fuck. I know it was hot. Feel what, Will?
Hold it? Yeah, it's a little hot. You want to feel it?
I'm good, dog. I already tried to catch one of your bullets and burnt the shit out of myself.
He's like,
Ah,
Feel it.
ah, 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 ah.
Get ready, peoples. There you go. Shoot.
Expect the unexpected.
Jeez.
Bop, 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 bop.
I hate that word. Why did I use that? You're an idiot. I'm still videoing. Is that corn?
Oh my god. You're still in there. Are you serious right now?
Whoa, don't touch the
There are
lens.
children here, Whitney.
Whoa, that was just fell off.
Yeah, but there are children here.
Okay.
Shit. Will, put the camera on her real fast.
What?
Put the camera on her real fast.
It is on.
This girl just flipped off a bunch of children. Look at that.
Hey, whoa!
She's a horrible person.
Oh well.
You need to watch your finger language, motherfucker. You don't get around.
But you're cussing
Hey,
up a storm.
hey,
Hey.
it's my channel. I don't give a fuck.
Hey.
I don't want to hear you say that. I don't want to hear you saying that. You're saying that.
Get out of here.
Yeah.
dilly dilly, motherfucker.